corrosion resistant. Delivers 90% efficiency. Provides enhanced strength and durability. 12 months. Easy to install. Fuel filter, high quality, original equipment replacement part, direct fit. Top reviews from the United States. Best price on a needed item. Exact OEM product for a 2008 Ford Ranger with a 2.3L. Super easy replacement, takes about 5 minutes and no tools required. Just strong fingers to squeeze the release buttons. The lines themselves are different sizes, so there is no confusion or need to mark them before removal. Sadly, local stores want almost 50% more $$ for this fuel filter.